Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have each and every one of you here. And today I just want to show you guys how you can create and start your own YouTube channel. Yes, guys, you just heard me. I want to show you how it's done. And if you've been wondering how it's done, this is definitely the right video for you. And without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to open a new tab on our computer and sign into our web browser. Open our web browser and we're going to type in YouTube. So we are going to click over here. And we're going to move to this button over here. We're going to click on this button at the top right corner, which says sign in. So it's going to bring us like to this page of Google accounts, like creating a Google account. So to have a YouTube channel, you must have a Google account. So we are going to create our own Google account. I already have a couple of them. So it's going to tell me use another account. I'll click on that. And we are going to come to this option of create account. So it's going to give us options of for myself, my child, to manage my business. And you can use this option over here, but I'm going to use this. Reason being, and I encourage you guys to also use this because reason being in the future, you might want other people to jump in onto like maybe like running the YouTube channel for you once that channel grows. So this creating with this option is a better option to have other people come into managing maybe your YouTube channel without having to without having to give them your personal details, personal info like passwords and all of that. So we're going to go with this option, guys. And it's asking for the first name. So we are going to type in the name. Sorry, guys. So I want to call it KCK Businesses. Businesses. The last name is optional, so I'll leave it. And we are going to go to next. We'll click next. So we will enter the basic information. Gender, rather than say. That's the option I want, but you can go for any option you want, guys. This is a personal preference. But next. So it tells us to enter the email address. So I'm going to get a Gmail address in this case. So if you have um, if you already have a Google account, you can use that email address. But in this case, I'm going to get a Gmail address instead. So it brought me kckbusinesses@gmail.com. I think I like this one. Before when I go through this, I like this. Yes, so I'm going to go with this option. And next. So right here now, you are going to come up with a password. You repeat the password again to confirm, and then next. So it's asking for a recovery email address. So guys, I'm not going to go through all of these because I want us to jump right onto it. So I'll just skip, but you can go through it and enter whatever info you want to use over here. But in this case, I'll just skip. Same, skip, and next. So we are going to review our accounts. So you're going to read the privacy and terms. We are not going through all of that today, but you can go through them and then down here you can agree to the terms and conditions. So our account is ready. So here, not now. We'll click not now, and yep, here is our account. So this is you. Now you already have a Google account, and uh, to create your YouTube channel, you're going to come over here at the top right corner. You click, you click on that button, and you're going to see where it says create a channel. So you will click on that. Click, and then create channel. So it says your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. So let's wait for that. Guys, so this is what our channel looks like. And if we can move over here to the top right corner, if you can remember very well where we had create, now it has changed to your channel. So this is our channel. And if we click on this, it brings us to this page. So this is where we record this is where we upload the videos from, go live, and this is where we customize the channel and manage videos. If you would like me to record another video where I go about all of these into detail, you can let me know in the comment section below. And guys, I'll show you one more thing. This is our YouTube studio, but like I said, guys, if you want me to go into detail about any of these in and create a video about them, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for joining me in this one, and see you in my next one, guys. If you found this video beneficial, please like, comment,